No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not. No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not.
Hello students, I'm Miss Katie, That Vegan Teacher. Let's get ready to learn about veganism and how to save the animals. Come on. This is Lewis Hamilton. Do you know him? He's a race car driver. He's pretty famous. He's actually vegan, and this is his dog, Roscoe. Look what they have written here. So recently, Lewis Hamilton, he's the F1 driver, Formula One driver, and he recently shared that his beloved dog Roscoe has experienced noticeable improvements since switching to a plant-based vegan diet. Hamilton explained that Roscoe's health issues such as joint pain and breathing difficulties have significantly lessened, making the switch highly beneficial to his furry companion. Isn't that cool? Roscoe's transition to a plant-based diet aligns with Hamilton's own lifestyle choices as he promotes both animal welfare and environmental consciousness. The diet change has not only improved Roscoe's well-being, but has also strengthened Hamilton's advocacy for veganism. So, way to go to Lewis Hamilton. Woohoo! Next, we're looking at a group called Vegan Cheese. This is a public group over on Facebook. Look at all these cheeses. Isn't it amazing to know that they are cruelty-free? Have a look here. I'm going to go down and show you some different pictures. Look at that. That's a vegan cheese, and you can make it at home. This basic melty cheese is 100% vegan. There's all kinds of people in this group, and they ask questions, and they provide different recipes for each other. Look at this one. Actually, there's two in this picture. Don't they look awesome? And if you want the recipe, you can just look up here. Look. Cashews, melted coconut oil, there's nutritional yeast flakes, lemon juice, there's also white miso, and just a little bit of garlic. That's it. So if you want to learn how to make some vegan cheeses, look no further than Facebook. Go ahead and join this group, and you'll get all kinds of different ideas. People are sharing their recipes. It's a great way to introduce vegan cheeses into your family. I saw this cute picture I thought I'd share with you. These are koalas, and these are possums. Coalition, opposition. I just thought it was cute. Hope you like it too. This is a card that I use over on TikTok where I do live videos, and I have different people reading these cards who act like my teaching assistants. So if you're not yet following me over there on TikTok, it's Music by That Vegan Teacher. Now this is the truth about the dairy industry, and this is why it's a good idea to start to eat vegan cheeses and try to make them yourself, or just not eat cheese at all. But let's look at the dairy industry here and see why it is such a terrible thing. So the dairy industry rapes mother cows. The moms are pinned down and they are forced to be pregnant. They kidnap their babies, which is really sad. They kidnap the babies, and they murder the babies if they're boys because they're considered to be useless in the industry. The dairy industry steals their milk. So the milk that belongs to the baby is stolen, and it's put into cartons in stores, and that's where lots of people buy it. They repeat the cycle over and over because people like you keep buying milk, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. But you don't have to. You can be vegan from now on. It's so easy. Just Google vegan recipes and start today. By the way, if you're not yet following me over on TikTok, this is my address there, Music by That Vegan Teacher. Well, it's at least just one of my accounts. This one has 1.1 million followers and 5.5 million likes. And here's my little summary of who I am. I'm a nurse, I'm a teacher, I'm a grandma, and I've been vegan since June 27th, 2016, which means I eat no eggs, no meat, and no cheese. Now, I could have written a long paragraph about all the other things that vegans do, such as not wearing leather, and we don't buy wool, and we don't go to places like SeaWorld, but you get the idea. And if you want to see the account, you could just go there. This is where I have a song, and this is where I'm talking about the LGBTQ flag and how everyone should be vegan if you're against oppression. Here's a really sad video where I sing a song, and here's another song, and here's another song. This is me responding to somebody's comment. So have a look at it. Here I'm looking at different vegan milks, and well, you get the idea. So check it out. Sometimes I'm being a little bit silly, other times I'm being serious. And here's where I'm showing some delicious vegan food that I ate here in Montreal. Check it out. See you there. Did you know that alcohol can cause cancer? Look at this article here on Twitter, a very short statement by Dr. Michael Greger, who is a founder of something called nutritionfacts.org. Here's what he writes. Alcohol consumption has been associated with excessive mortality from cancer for more than a century. Even at low levels of intake, it can cause cancer, mostly head, neck, and gastrointestinal cancers in men and breast cancer in women. So now you know. So you might want to consider reducing your alcohol consumption significantly or eliminating it altogether. Snack time! And you know what? When you have a snack, you don't eat a chicken. You invite a chicken. Hello! So let's have some pumpkin seeds. Have you guys ever tried these? These are absolutely delicious, and they're good for you. They're a whole food, just one ingredient. Try them.
Hey, you're not a baby, you're not a cow. Time to stop sucking now. If you want milk, ask your mom to lift her bra. If she tells you to fuck off, that's your clue to drink soy milk. Ta-da! You're not a baby, you're not a cow. You should be vegan by now. Thou shalt not kill, and also thou shalt not steal. So read between the lines and be vegan at every meal.
Over on TikTok, somebody wrote me this. Now, of course, this is very cruel. This is vegan phobic. It's trying to make me feel bad. But I have to be very careful over on TikTok how I respond, because otherwise I will be accused of hate speech, even though it is clear that this person is being extremely cruel. So here's how I responded.
Ah, yes, the S word. That's for wimpy people. The rest of us, we have lives to save. Have you watched the documentary called Dominion yet on YouTube? Go and check it out and come back and tell everyone what you learned.
Broccoli, green peppers, mushrooms, tomatoes, artichokes, vegan meat, vegan cheese. Ta-da! It's vegan pizza.
If you're interested in chickens and learning more about how important it is to save their lives and to not steal their eggs, you can get a free book like this. You just go to PETA Kids at PETA.org. Look at it. It's got lots of pictures, and it's really a great way to explain the ethics of veganism. And last but not least, don't forget your 10 Commandments, where it clearly says here, thou shalt not kill and thou shalt not steal. So don't steal the body parts or the lives of innocent animals.
I'll remember this day. I'll remember this moment. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. I'll remember this feeling. I'll remember this love. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. From this day forward, I will always be proud to be vegan, and I will declare it out loud. I'm here to save you. I'm here to save you. Little lambs, chickens, turkeys, fish, pigs, and cows too. I'm here because that vegan teacher helped me to see beyond myself, deep into the eyes and heart of someone else. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's